Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Airport Authority of India. They are going to recruit on the basis of GATE 2024 score directly. Let's see here the detailed advertisement. So when you will go to the official website of AAI, Airport Authority of India, you can see the news is there: direct recruitment of junior executive through GATE 2024 in Airport Authority of India. When you will click here, the PDF will be open here. Okay, in this case you can see in the career section also it is mentioned direct recruitment of junior executive through GATE 2024 in Airport Authority of India. Okay, total number of posts are 490, my dear students. Okay, and it is updated on the 16th, so you can see the detailed advertisement. So let's come to the detailed advertisement here. So first of all, when we are talking about this one, the post is junior executive. Okay, so this is the post junior executive through GATE 2024. Okay, now let's see which branches are eligible in this case. So when we are looking to the branches, here are the branches. So first of all, junior executive engineering civil, number of vacancies 90, in electrical 106, in electronics 278, in IT information technology 13. The category wise division of each and every vacancy is mentioned here according to the reservation. You can just check here. Okay, now when I'm coming to the education qualification, let's see here. So when we are coming to the education qualification, look at here. So a student who want to apply for the junior executive engineering civil, so he should have BE BTech in civil. Similarly here in BE BTech in electrical, BE BTech in electronics with the paper code CEEEC. And in terms of the information technology, if a student is having BE BTech in computer science or information technology or computer engineering with the paper code CS is eligible. So this is the vacancy for civil, electrical, EC and CS students. Okay, now let's see the next thing here. Okay, now one very important thing, as the students used to ask, ma'am, the final semester student or the final year students are eligible. So yes, in this case final semester students are also eligible. Look at here. So candidates enrolled in final semester or in final year, okay, on the cutoff date are allowed to apply. Up to the cutoff date, if you will finish your degree, then you are applicable. So subject to condition that they must be in possession of the final result at the time of the application verification. That is the important thing mentioned here. Okay, which they otherwise your form will be rejected. Okay, very simple, it is mentioned here. Okay. Okay, as it is mentioned, one more thing, the date of declaration of result or issuance of mark sheet shall be considered to be the date of acquiring the qualification, and there shall be no relaxation on this account. So you need to show your mark sheet also here. Okay, now let's come to the next here, age limit. So age limit is maximum age limit will be 27 year as on the 1st May 2024. Okay, the age relaxation is mentioned here according to the rules of Government of India. You can check here. Now let's come to the important date, as now it's not opened. Okay, it will, online application form will be open from the 2nd of the April 2024 and the last date will be 1st May 2024, and availability of schedule of application verification will be available on this website. So you need to write down this website, you need to be check, okay, every time this website www.aai.aero. Okay, all the information you will get from here only. Now in terms of the remuneration, you can see first of all the pay scale is of the junior executive group B E1 level, and when I'm talking about the overall package, so it will be 13 lakh approximately. Okay, which is very good here. Now in terms of the selection procedure, as it is mentioned here, age and all other eligibility criteria shall be reckoned as on the 1st May. Now only those candidates who appear in the GATE 2024 in the relevant disciplines with respect engineering, with their respective engineering degree, have registered their application on the portal of AAI and also eligible in all respect shall be considered for the further selection process in AAI. So what they will do, first of all you need to fill the form. After that they will select your forms. Okay, they will just select your form on the basis of your GET scorecard, and after that they will call you for the application verification. So that's why this is a direct job, direct recruitment, okay, without any written test. So you can see again here mentioned, on the basis of the details furnished application form, each detail should be clear, okay, shall be shortlisted for the application verification as applicable for the post, as it is mentioned clearly here. Okay. So okay, verification of eligibility claims the with original documents, that very simple thing you need to follow. Okay, and more points are mentioned here, you just need to check here. Okay, now one very important thing here, suppose if two candidates are having same score, so where GET scores are tied, so candidates older in the age will give the priority, and if suppose both GET score and date of birth are tied, so candidate with the higher marks in qualifying degree to be placed higher in the merit list. It is mentioned in case of the tie in the GET scorecard. Okay, now if I will come to the next one, service condition is there, few more instructions are mentioned. You can see how to apply each and every detail. You can see only Indian nationals can eligible in this case. More details are mentioned. You can see you need to submit all the details whatever is required here. Okay, now here the next thing is application fee. So application fee and mode of payment. So application fee will be 300 rupees, is to be paid through online mode only. There is no offline mode, only and only online mode. Now if a candidate is from SC, ST, PWBD, or if a candidate is having 1 year apprenticeship at the AAI, or female candidates are exempted from the payment of the fees, application fees also. This is also mentioned, and very good thing I can see this is. Okay. Now more details are mentioned here. You can just read each and every general instruction. As I told you here, all the upcoming detail you should see on this official website www.aai.aero. Dear students, just check this one, as right now this notification is not started. Right now the online application form is not started. It will start from the date, as I told you, from the 2nd of the April. Okay. Now if a students wants to learn for the GET 2025 or 2026, you can just enroll in our live online program, dear students. And other than this, if still you not join our Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group, because each and every job notification, PSU notification, and the free content, okay, related to the study will uploaded on our YouTube channel. The links you will get in our Telegram group only, and you can join the GET 2025 and 2026 live online program also here, where we are offering lots of the feature to our students. We are having more than 4,000 practice questions. We are providing live solution also. We are providing the video solutions also there. Okay, and in case of any query related to the admission, you can directly contact to our student advisory team. They will guide you in the best manner. Thank you.